Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to delete profile on Microsoft Edge browser in Windows 11. Open Edge browser. Go to the right top corner and click on the three dots. Choose Settings. Select Profiles from the left side list. Go to the profile at the top of the page. Click on the three dots next to the profile. Choose Remove from the list. Click on Remove Profile in the pop-up window. If you have more than one profile, you need to switch to make the profile active if you want to remove it. Go to the bottom of the page. Find the profile that you need and click on Switch next to it. When your profile is active, click on the three dots next to the profile. Choose Remove from the list. Click on Remove Profile in the pop-up window. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!